Hey there. Welcome to not exactly an episode of Kuma's Kitchen. This is more the Christmas recipe roundup. So right now I'm making the Brandied apple and walnut fruitcake. This stuff is so good. I'm a little late actually. I should have made this a couple weeks ago because it's best you make it about 4 weeks before Christmas, 3 weeks before Christmas. 2 weeks is still okay though, because you're going to keep adding brandy to it. That's where it gets that really goodness to it. Anyways, this is looking really juicy and delicious. So let's have a quick roundup of all the Christmas recipes. So you're ready for your Christmas cooking. So for the main dishes, you're going to find, and I'm going to put the list down below with the links to these, okay? You got the roast chicken and chestnut stuffing casserole. I make that for Christmas Day, and it's absolutely fantastic. Something the family always looks forward to. My wife Rieko, my mother-in-law, they're just like, oh, what's coming up? Christmas chestnut soup with brandy. Yeah, that's really good too. The brandy just gives us some depth to chestnuts. It's Christmas and them go together. It's a great soup. Then we got lots of cookies and desserts. So we got the Swiss Christmas Brunsli. That's actually from the Appenzell recipe. The Spitzbüebli Swiss Christmas cookies. Yeah, those are pretty good. Check those out. The Canuck Christmas butter tarts. The Christmas cranberry and white chocolate cookies. The Christmas gingerbread loaf with hot buttered rum sauce. Oh, I gotta make that again. I haven't made that for a while. The Zimtsterne. Those are the little cinnamon stars. Swiss cinnamon star cookies. Colorful Christmas thumbprint cookies. The Christmas gingerbread house village. I don't think we're going to have time to make that this year, unfortunately, but that is always a lot of fun. Especially sitting around decorating it and eating it afterwards. How it gets nibbled at. Christmas shortbread bars. And then, of course, the Brandied apple and walnut fruitcake. Now, for drinks, we've got white Christmas hot chocolate. Fortified Glühwein. Oh, I'm making that for Christmas Eve every year. That is one of our traditions. We have that for Christmas Eve. Midwinter Hot Buttered Rum. Nice thing about that is too, you can make a bunch of the butter and everything mixture ahead of time and just throw it in with some rum, and heat it up, and you got it. So you can make a whole bunch ahead of time and just have it on hand and make yourself drinks anytime you want. The rich spiced Christmas hot chocolate. Yeah. And the hot rum and salted caramel apple cider. All right. So links are down below. Go check that out. Get some Christmas cooking happening. All right. I'm going to get back, finish making my fruitcake here. This smelling so good. All right. See you coming up, well, in the next recipe next week.